G'day mate, my name's Margie.
And I'm Kami.
And welcome to our YouTube home, Mixed and Nerdy.
Yeah, where we make videos about our passions, our projects, and biracial parenting.
And I guess a part of our biracial parenting today is me being 30 weeks pregnant. Woohoo! And for today's video, I want to talk about being pregnant and having foot pain and what I can do about it.
And I wanted to talk about, being an athlete, being in the Marine Corps, and having similar foot pain. Not quite pregnancy, but, I run a lot, I work out quite a bit. I'm on my feet a lot of the time or during the day.
I had foot pain and some like calf cramps before when I was pregnant with our first son, Xander. This time around though, what a surprise, it's happening again. My feet are swelling. And it's definitely, I looked into the idea of getting a massager and was kind of like 50-50 about it. Because I have this massager right here for me. Exactly. So I'm super happy that Terelax USA reached out to me instead and was like, hey, would you like to try our foot massager? Give it a review for us on your YouTube channel. And I was like, yes, please. I would absolutely love to do that. And I knew that he would enjoy it as well because he's always complaining about ankle and feet issues. So I thought this was a really good chance for us to do like a sponsorship with Terelax, show you guys how this works, and I guess what we think about it.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's unbox.
So this is our lovely foot massager. I thought it was just going to be in the brown box, but this actually came out quite nicely.
Nice.
So we've got information on the side there about it as well, saying like kneading massage, heat function, shiatsu therapy with air pressure, as well as removable washable pouches as well. So let's take a look inside. Bam! So it obviously comes packaged pretty well. It's got all the protection in it. Everything looks amazing. It got here all safe and sound. And as we open up, here we go. We just got a little bit of information with our remote and our user manual and the foot massager itself. How's it feel?
It feels like a pretty solid build. It's not super cheap.
So our remote here just has like your power, your timer, mode, intensity, heating, and air pressure as well. So obviously when you got your feet in there, you can just use this to help massage everything.
I have the power! No.
Because I like to read the manuals, the first thing you need to do is check that everything is okay and it's not damaged and it's stable, which, yeah, it is. It came nice and packed well, so no problems there. Okay, so let's plug this in and see how it goes.
So here's just a closer look at the actual monitor itself. It's pretty straightforward. You've got yourself a power button there on the left. Turns on, turns off, real easy. You got your mode button for your 3 different modes, so different sort of variations on what they can do with your feet. The intensity as well, 3 different levels, 1, 2, and 3. And then when you look over to the other side, you've got your timer. So that goes up in 5-minute increments all the way up to 30 minutes, and then it drops back down to 5. You then have your heating setting. It's just an on and off switch for that one. And you can see it actually lights up when it turns on, so you can also physically see when it's on and off too. And then the last one then is just the air pressure, and then you can hear it actually inflating. And then when you press it, it starts to deflate again as well.
How does that feel?
Not bad. Yeah. So I'm flat-footed, and there's spots in my foot that hurt after getting my insoles, and yeah, it's hitting all of them. It's great. I'm surprised.
So I'm going to try this out with the remote first. Press power. Ooh. Oh, that feels so good. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's like squeezing my foot to like clamp it in there, and it feels amazing.
That's awesome.
This is just for me, right? Because I enjoy deep tissue massages because I have a lot of muscles and they're all super tight and really tense. So yeah, as far as the pressure, and I'm only on the first intensity, this is pretty good.
Want to try the heater?
Yeah, so we'll hit the heater. Just gonna take a second to warm up. Oh, I'm starting to feel the heat. Yeah, so it's a pretty quick warm up. Oh yeah, and the heat gets toasty. It's pretty nice in here.
Ooh, oh, that feels so good. I can feel the pressure on like the sides of my feet now, and then just like those like massaging nodules underneath it, like rolling back and forwards. So let's try some of the different modes. So this is mode 2. I can definitely feel like a little bit more pressure. And it's like slower, it's more intense, this mode. Like it's really trying to dig into those sort of like pressure points. Alright, mode 3. Ooh. So mode 3 is like a rolling, like an ocean wave almost. It's a lot lighter than mode 2, and it's just sort of like rolling back and forward. Oh, that's really good. All right, let's try the intensity. So we've got sort of low intensity, the medium intensity, and then high. So 3 levels of intensity as well. And again, yeah, it's sort of that same thing. Like it just increases enough that you can, still feels really good. So I'm gonna hit the air pressure again from mode 3. Okay, yeah, so it just sort of like inflates around your feet to help like with that compression. So if you have like sort of swelling or things like that, like this would be really good to like massage all that out and then drink a nice big glass of water afterwards. Overall though, this is amazing. This is what I need to do like every single night and every day. This feels so good. But this is perfect though, like we have it set up in front of our TV. This is easily something that you can just switch on and throw your feet into. I don't know, for me 10 out of 10, easily. I can like see your feet moving around, it looks so good.
This was a lot more than I was expecting. I'm super impressed. I am enjoying this. The pressure is good, the intensity. I've just now kicked it up to mode 3 and intensity level 3. And yeah, it is, I can feel it. You definitely feel it on the lower settings as well as the higher settings. And then as you crank through the intensities, it lets you know that you are cranking through the intensities, which is good because, you know, my feet hurt a lot, my legs hurt a lot. And this is nice. I dig this.
So the insides are super easy to clean as well. You literally just unzip it and it goes all the way around. And then inside is a little hook as well as a Velcro latch. So you just undo each of those. And then voila, it comes out. You just completely unzip it and then you can wash it. And then you just zip it back up. Link it back in just like you would with a normal zip. Zip it around a little bit and then you can see here the actual hook and the little Velcro patch as well. So you just hold on to those and then you put your hand back inside and you can feel the little hook right over the edge. And then you just hook it in, push that Velcro back down, and then that's it. You just zip it back up. It's super easy.
So overall, my review for the Terelax Foot Massager, I would say easily 10 out of 10. Super easy to unbox, to use. Just straight away you press power and mode and then that's it. So for me, yeah, I absolutely love it. It already made my feet feel amazing.
Yeah, totally. I definitely recommend it. It's a good, quick Christmas gift, especially with the holidays rolling around. You want to get something for your mother or your father. This is an easy gift that you can pick out for them and just let them enjoy right out of the box. No assembly required.
Yeah, you can buy this on Amazon. There's a link for it in the description box down below. But yeah, for myself, I'm super grateful. Thank you so much, Terelax USA, for sending us this. I absolutely enjoy it and I'll be using it every day.
Thanks, guys.